Hi, vocal athletes. This is Shirley Gibson with the Speech and Voice Care Center of Houston. I'm back to give you more tips on how to send those butterflies packing. As I've stated before, public speaking or the fear of public speaking is one of the number one fears of Americans. About 75% of people have a fear of public speaking. So we talked about how to look good and feel good, get there early so that you can prepare. And tip number 3 is to use deep breathing to ground yourself. That, with a powerful imagination, can help you to get out of your headspace and to prepare for the job, well, actually the great job that we know that you are going to do as a result of following these tips. And we know that you have a great message and a story that you want to tell. So you would just use deep breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, and breathe from your diaphragm to calm yourself. And then in terms of using your imagination with this, just see yourself doing a great job. So you're closing your eyes and you're inhaling and exhaling. So slow, deep breaths will help to ground you and calm you to prepare you for speaking. Now, some people say use that nervous energy. You don't want to be too calm and you don't want to be too relaxed. You want to be energized. But actually, if you have nerves, before you get pumped up, I would say ground yourself with deep breathing and use your imagination to see yourself doing an awesome job. So tune in for more tips. We're here to help you rock it at your next speaking engagement.